Guangzhou Wemaer Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in February 2010. The company has been committed to the field of automotive safety electronics and intelligent driving. It is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. The company has a strong manufacturing capacity, has introduced a number of advanced automatic production lines, standardized dust-free workshop, and related environmental laboratory and production testing equipment to ensure product quality. Relying on international quality management standard, the company has established a set of advanced management systems such as pre-sales support, after-sales service, and technical support. The company attaches great importance to technology research and development and talent training with an experienced and innovative technology research and development team. Through continuous independent research and development, the company has obtained dozens of related patents such as software works and utility model. Our main products include car camera, 360-degree panoramic driving assistance system, vehicle monitoring system, and car video. In the past 10 years, the company has provided OEM and ODM services for customers in domestic and overseas markets, established its own brand, and fully entered the automotive after-installation market. Products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions. In the future, we will continue to take science and technology, development, integrity, win-win as the purpose, with the majority of new and old customers to establish efficient, long-term, stable cooperative relations, win-win automotive safety new era.
Hello, I am overseas sales ruler.
Hello, I'm operator's guy.
Hello, I'm overseas sales green.
Hello, I'm overseas sales Mia.
Hi, I'm overseas sales manager Adrian.
I'm Jenny Wang Minghui.
I'm engineer Tony.
Hello everyone, I'm Yabo Hu, Vice President of the company.
Welcome to our